Okay, so I'm doing this the same night just so there's no questions about, when this was actually done in sequence. So welcome back. I am Jason. To some people, I'm known as J Bear. And this is going to be my second video. Oh, wait, you guys look a little off kilter. Meh. Anyways, like I said, this is going to be my second video. It is the second of 3 packages I have brought back from Oregon from Kyle. Kyle at World of Rockhounds. So yes, this is, like I said, a second box. In here I have a few items. This first package here Okay, so this was inventory 110, which is also this box here. Okay, so once again, like I said, for my records, this is the inventory 110. Or rather, order number, inventory number, whatever. Yeah, something here wrapped up in bubble tape. Once again, like I said in the previous video, Kyle and Amy, oh my god, thank you guys so much. You guys do a wonderful job at making sure everything is in tip-top shape to be delivered to me, just like this. And this one, I do know what it is. It's an amethyst tooth, dragon's tooth. Yeah, it's a pretty little example here. Yeah. Once again, Kyle, thank you very much. You have some excellent inventory. Sorry, I was at a lack of words there for a minute. I am absolutely, wow, I love this creature here. Amethyst is one of the stones that I really like, in particular because, well, it's my birthstone, so yeah, there's that. And yeah, purple has just always absolutely fascinated me. I love the color purple. Oh, okay, I see where the noise is from. Okay, what do we got here? Ooh. Wow. Don't know what it is. I am definitely going to have to yeah, go through my inventory checklist and figure out what exactly I got here. It is beautiful though. I love it. There's that. And let's see here. What's in this little guy? Once again, like I said, Kyle and Amy, they make sure that they do their best for you to get your stones. I absolutely cannot thank them enough for their consideration. Yeah, let's see, what do we got here? Ooh. I'm thinking I have some tourmaline here, some black tourmaline. I am, once again, only brand new to this, so I do not know for certain. And yeah, I will be checking that out with the corresponding inventory numbers and checklist. And yeah, that's gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. And here I got a little itty bitty jelly bean. What do we got inside this jelly bean here? I do not know for certain. But one thing I do know for certain, it's a rock. Wow. I really wish I was more familiar with everything that I have purchased, other than thinking, ooh, wow, pretty rock, and I want yo quiero. But that being said, yeah, I absolutely want more rocks. Please, more rocks. Yeah, let's see here. Let's go with this box. And I, once again, absolutely, everything is wrapped up as best as Kyle and Amy can do, to ensure that you get the stone that you want and have purchased. And I think I have possibly an Apache tier. I do not know 100%, but I think it's an Apache tier. Yeah, I think that's what that is. And I think I'm forgetting to show the camera over there. I have a second camera set up, and I have absolutely no idea how this is going to work in the final edit. But yeah, like the disclaimer from the previous video, this is only my second video. So once again, please, all y'all, go easy on me. Oh, I have here in my hand, oh, it's beautiful. I want to call it my golden egg. And no, I didn't get it from no goose up, no giant beanstalk. This is a pyrite. It's so golden and sparkly, and oh, I love it. Oh, beauty. Wrap that back up as best I can for now. I want to say this is what would have been a hematite crystal. Rather, it is a hematite crystal. I don't know. But once again, it is something I'm going to have to check out with my inventory list and figure out what exactly this little guy here is. But yeah, here we go. I think it's hematite. I think. But I got one more item in this box for this inventorized order. What is it? Ooh. It will. It's beautiful. You'll see exactly what it is when I hold it up to the camera. There's a label on it. And yeah, obviously, I'm going to have to do some editing, but yeah. Okay, maybe if I took it out of the bag, it might be a little better for y'all. But it's my second video. Cut me some slack. But yes, like I said, there's going to be some editing needed. Obviously, I'm going to have to flip the video around. Maybe I might do editing tonight. Maybe I might do editing never. I will probably, because the way I am, will probably end up doing some editing and at the very least flip the video around. Just because, well, anyways, me and my issues. Let's see here. What's in this box? Ooh. It's an amethyst scepter. Or maybe smoky quartz. I don't know. I'm thinking more along the lines of amethyst. It is possibly a smoky quartz. Definitely an amethyst. I can see purples in here. And yeah, it is. I'm definitely thinking amethyst, but it's a quartz scepter, and yeah, we'll just leave it as it's a quartz scepter, whether it's smoky quartz or amethyst. That'll be up to whoever is looking at it later. Who am I to say what it is? I don't know. I am not a geologist or a gemologist or anything. I am just a collector. I happen to like stones and rocks and pretty things, and yes, a lot of this is stuff that I have found pretty. And oh wow, this piece that I am unwrapping has some flash to it. And yes, the flash, that's definitely some opal. Yeah. Oh wow, some beautiful colors in there. Wow. Some reds, some greens, some blues, purple. Oh wow. And the color extends to the backside of it as well. I don't think the camera will be able to catch all of the color that this but yeah, certainly. A nice little opal. And there's one more in this box here. I don't think I will get to the unboxing of my third package from Kyle. Yeah, I'm getting a little tuckered out at this point. I am thinking it's aquamarine. But yeah, before I deal with it, obviously, like I said, I will be going through my inventory lists and figuring out exactly what it is I have here. Yeah, once again, some things I know, a lot of things I don't know. Yeah, as far as yeah, this whole lapidary working with stones thing goes, I am still learning what it is I am doing as far as cutting stones and trying to figure out what stones are what. And wow, this has a lot of beautiful flash in this piece. A lot of vibrant blues. I thought I saw some purple in there. I am assuming I have here a piece of labradorite. If I remember correctly, this piece is not from Labrador, but it is a labradorite. Yeah, I can't get it to flash on camera. Oh, wait, there we go. Yeah, so that is a piece of labradorite. I might work that into something. Yeah, some beautiful blues and purples in there. I've only made that one necklace that I have shown to the group at World of Rockhounds, and yeah, here I love the bods on this piece. got some nice druzy sparkle on there. Not a whole lot, but a little bit of druzy. Oh. Do I see much more druzy? I don't know. Maybe the camera will pick it up, maybe not. But yeah, nice little piece of grape agate. Yeah, it's getting some of the druzy in there. Yeah, a beautiful little specimen of grape agate. Beautiful. Yeah, Kyle's stuff I absolutely adore. His I adore Kyle's rock dealer. Yeah, they both have some excellent taste in specimens, and yeah, it's good to know that there are people out there who are actually genuinely in it for the rocks. Here I have another specimen of fluorite. I'm thinking it's sort of along the lines of the first piece of fluorite that I was showing earlier. Might have been a video one. But yeah, in this specimen here, once again, I do not have my UV light with me handy. We'll have to explore that on another video. Possibly do a fluorescent UV video of specimens that I have in my collection, figure out what fluoresces, what doesn't. Yeah. Rocks, 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 and more rocks. Okay, that finishes that little box. Okay, so in this box, apparently, I have 3 different orders. Okay, what do we got here? What do we got? What do we got? You know when your 2-ply toilet paper folds apart, or rather comes apart at the seam, and yeah, anyways, that's what this sort of reminded me of. Yeah. I'm thinking this is blue kyanite. I'm just trying to get this sticker off here. Yeah, I'm thinking this is a blue kyanite. Yeah, once again, some of these rocks and stones that I've been unboxing are going to definitely remain as in my collection and under my care and tutelage, if you will. But yeah, other things are going to become, whether it be cabs that I, make into gifts and give away to friends and family, or yeah, whatever may come of doing this sort of stuff. Certainly at this point in time, like I said, I am not in it for the money. I'm just doing this to not get bored. Excuse me. A little mushroom. I'm going to have to check with my inventory, figure out what exactly type of material this is. But I'm seeing a bit of a purple flash in there, or rather, not flash, but I'm seeing a definite purple in there. So I'm thinking it's possibly an amethyst quartz of some sort. And let's see here. Got another little itty bitty small thing here. Ooh, okay. Apparently, I have a thing for opals. There was the opal I showed you earlier, and then here is another little opal chunk. You can see some of the coloring in there. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Just to, like I said, clean it up, bring out that color, that flash, yeah, you guys are seeing that, aren't you? I hope you're seeing that. Oh, yes, nice little opal there. And I'm thinking this is, yes, it's a smoky quartz sphere. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. In here, in this bag, rather, is a few items. Oh, a couple of plastic stands for the spheres. And here, let me just open this up. I say open. Thank you. So yes, the stands for the spheres, so this way they wouldn't get lost, misplaced in the box. And then here, I have two different rainbow pendants. They're still in the bag, so the color is going to be a little off. But yeah, these guys will be used somewhere. Don't know exactly for what. But oh wow, here I have a Labradorite cab. At least I'm pretty sure it's Labradorite. And let's see if I can get it to show on camera. Oh yeah, it's definitely flashing. Beauty. Okay, so my second video here, this is going a little bit longer than the first one. I still got two more boxes left inside this box, so hopefully it's not going to be too much longer. And if it is, I am sorry, but certainly thank you for hanging around and watching me unbox a bunch of stones and rocks that I have acquired over the past, well, I don't know, maybe a year, maybe. Okay, this is a chunk of agate. For future consideration, as I alluded to earlier, I do not have a water bottle. I don't have anything to spray this down with, but yeah. I want to say iolite or sodalite. I do not know absolute certainty what it is, but yeah, it is a cab. I know, I'm stupid, but yeah. Here, I have matching pairs of something. Don't know exactly what. I'll figure that out when I get to my inventory. Yeah, these little guys, once again, I'm thinking maybe drilling some holes in these, and yeah, they might be pendants. I might make earrings out of them. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do with any of this stuff. Okay, this is a jasper of some sort, I'm thinking. But yeah, a lot of good stuff here to do things with. And I know I should be taking stuff out of the bags, but I'm getting a little tired. Not of doing this, but just a little tired in general. It's been a long day. Fortunately, yeah, there's only one more box after this item. So yeah, let's see what we got here. Ooh, that's pretty. I see some purple in there. Yeah, I'm a big fan of purple stuff. It's cool. You can still see where it was daubed. So yeah, that's interesting. It's an actually worked stone instead of just being shaped and then thrown into the tumbler. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but yeah, it's just knowing that there was a lot more involved by human hand to get this product done, and to the stage that it is right there. Yeah, some nice stuff. Okay. Final box of my second order from Kyle, or rather my second shipment of rocks. Yeah, let's see here. Ooh, some botryoidal goodness, a lot of druzy, a lot of sparkle. Oh, wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Yes. That is gorgeous. I will absolutely be going through all of this again later. Like I said, when I go to identify what everything is, I will be pulling up my inventory list and figuring it out from there. Yeah. Once again, Kyle and Amy, thank you so much. I mean, everything is packed up and in excellent shape. I mean, everything arrived home with me. Ooh, I got a half a thunder egg here. Some beautiful water line banding. Yeah, okay, say that 5 times fast. Some waterline banding in there. Yeah, it's wow. From trying to polish a thunder egg at the lapidary club I'm a member of, I can definitely appreciate what has gone into shining this little mud ball. Yeah, it's beautiful in here. So yeah, like I said, I can appreciate the polish that has gone into this. I know the difference. Like I said, trying to currently deal with one of these at the club right now, and yeah, you're going from the hard chalcedony to the softer mud, and yeah, it as with everything, it takes a little bit of time to learn and patience. Oh, is this the other half to it? Yes. Maybe. Yes, maybe. Let's see here. Nope. It's a different thunder egg. Yeah. I'll have to take a look at this one under some better lighting. But yeah. So that's a different thunder egg. Thunder egg half. Because of course, for a full thunder egg, you need the 2 different halves, 2 different round parts. What do we got here? It feels like a snowman. Nope. I got 2 more spheres. Ooh. Some nice rainbow sparkle effect in there. Definitely going to have to pull that up on the inventory and figure out what these guys are. But yeah, I got 2 of those guys right there. Almost done. Yeah, a lot longer video. Thank you all for continuing to hang out with me and explore these goodies that I got from Kyle. Once again, Kyle, thank you so much for doing what you do. Amy, thank you for putting up with his passion. And our obsessions. Wow, this is a beautiful stone. I really wish. Oh man, okay. Yes, I'm sorry. I apologize once again. I should have gotten my inventory lists figured out before I started doing this, but yeah. With this one, I really like the contrast between the black and the white. It's not a hard, definitive line. It's there's something else in the black that I don't know exactly what it is. This could be petrified palm root. I don't know for certain. I will have to once again check that out when I get to my inventory. Okay, 2 more pieces. Second last piece here. But yes, once again, everything that I have purchased made it home safely to me. I don't know for certain. I want to say maybe this is, once again, I could be wrong. I want to say this is Amazonite, but I could be wrong. Either way, it is a nice blue stone. A pale blue to a white. Yeah, nice. Whew, okay, here we are. Last item of the night and of this second video. Here we have, I want to say some more pyrite. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking that is. So yeah, I think that's a pyrite cab. Yeah, some nice stuff. So, if you made it this far, thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. I just may say, you know what, it's going out the way this is, and worry about editing later on next other videos to come. Thank you very much. That was number 2.